Hello guys, I'm Najibul Rosat. I'm from PS Extensi 2C. Now I want to give you step for make a tape mix ice. Okay, next. And this the material: sugar, milk, glass of the cup. This is tape. Okay, you just need tape, milk, and sugar. And now, come on, we are give some tape in the glass. Just one, okay? And you can stir this milk. Wait a moment. Don't too much, Rex. Okay. This. Okay. And now you can open the sugar. Yeah. Just 1 spoon sugar. Enough. I think enough. And next step, you can give a water. Just and you can give ice. Wait a moment. We are give ice. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And you can stir this milk. This tabe. Okay, I think enough. Thanks. And have a nice day.